Hello, today my team number 1 is going to expose the Monera kingdom. My team is conformed by Samantha Hernández, Alondra Delgado, Emiliano Ledezma, Anhuar Marroquin, Gabriela Vázquez, and your servant Carolina Ramírez.
The Monera kingdom or prokaryotic kingdom is the name of the classification of living beings that group prokaryotic unicellular organisms and was composed mainly of bacteria, the most abundant life forms on the planet. They have prokaryotic cells that are the smaller cellular organisms ever found. The respiration can be aerobic or anaerobic, can live individually or in groups, and they can reproduce asexually.
I will present the Monera kingdom divisions. The bacteria are unicellular, free-living, and present a diversity of forms. Most bacteria are in contact with humans, the best known be E. coli and Salmonella. This group of prokaryote organisms has a single chromosome and rigid cells while composed of peptidoglycan, and some bacteria are motile and have flagella that they use to move around.
Another division of Monera kingdom, the Archaea. They are a microscopic organisms. Their cells are covered with a covering cell wall made of various materials that gives them high resistance against antibiotics or other harmful substances. Their diet, chemotrophs, is also very science. They are take advantage of inorganic compounds such as hydrogen, carbon dioxide, alcohol, sulfur, iron, among others, to feed themselves. Some examples of the Archaea domain are the Lorcaceae, Ordinartiara, Turciaceae, and Heimortiara.
I'm going to tell you about the subdivisions of the Monera kingdom. For the Archaea domain, there are 4 subdivisions, which are Archaea. There are the simple prokaryotes and comprise a wide and diverse set of microorganisms. Crinoarchaea. There are the most abundant archaea in the marine ecosystem. Nanoarchaea. It is taxon discovered in 2002 and whose kinship relationships are uncertain. Coraarchaea. They are only found in hydrothermal environments and in low abundance. As for the bacteria domain, subdivisions belong to it. Protobacteria. This is one of the main groups of the bacteria. They include a wide variety of pathogens. Chlamydia are a volume of bacteria whose members are endosymbionts or obligate intercellular pathogens. Spirochetes. They contain distinctive gram-negative DSM from bacteria. Cyanobacteria. These comprise bacteria capable of oogenic photosynthesis. Gram-positive bacteria. Those bacteria that stain dark blue or violet by gram stain.
I will tell you about the classes of bacteria. There are several types, including Delta Proteobacteria, which is a group of proteobacteria common in the anaerobic environment of sediment of lakes, swamps, and seabeds. Gamma Proteobacteria, which are a class of bacteria that includes various species of medical, ecological, and scientific importance. Like all proteobacteria, gamma proteobacteria are gram-negative. The Clostridia, which are a class of bacteria from the phylum Firmicutes, they are characterized by being mostly gram-positive anaerobic bacilli. The bacilli, which are a class of firmicutes that includes gram-positive bacteria such. Bacilli are distinguished from Clostridia by their aerobic respiration, etc.
I'm Gabriela and I'm going to explain some orders of the Monera kingdom. Enterobacteriaceae are a large group of bacteria. Members of this group are part of the microbiota of the intestine and other organs of humans and other animal species. Chlamydiales. Members of these other chlamydiales are obligate intracellular gram-negative bacteria. Myxobacteria are social grinding rope-shaped bacteria that crawl over surface in groups in search of food. Hernández. Bifidobacteriales is an order of bacteria of the subclass Actinobacteria. It contains only one family, which is Bifidobacteriaceae. Lactobacillus are an order of bacteria that are spread of any surface, mainly on salt water, animals, and plants.
Kingdom Monera belongs to the prokaryote family. The organisms belonging to this kingdom do not contain a true nucleus. Their DNA is free in the cytoplasm and they do not have organelles, such as mitochondria, chloroplast, and Golgi apparatus. Thanks for your attention. We hope you like it and apologize if mistakes were made during the presentation.